Okay, so this video is going to briefly show you the online grading report. It's also going to show you how to do peer mark reviews, or how to look at what the other students have done as a review for each other. So if you click on online grading report, it gives you a couple of ways to sort what you want to look at. So you can look by quick marks, you can look by the E-rater, and you can look by the rubric if you uploaded one. You can do overview, commonly used, formatting, and so on. You can export it to an Excel document, but this is just a real quick way for you to look at patterns in your classes. So if you were looking for station ideas or how to confer with your students based on what you did, so you could look at these categories. You can change the categories so that you can get really quick information. Peer mark reviews. So when you set up your questions, you had things that you wanted students to comment on. Here is where you can see them. So they will look like blue when you have not performed your review over here, just so you know. You can see the submitted reviews, you can see, you can view the received reviews, and you can perform a review yourself. So you can either do the review that you wrote for the students, or you can do your own through the assignment inbox in our previous video. So you can click on any of these, they're going to show you the same thing. You click the check mark, it will bring up the paper and it will show you what the student said off to the side and any comments they may have left in the body of the document. Just like before, you can toggle back and forth for between reviews. So if I click forward, you can see, it's not letting me do it. So you can see that this is Adam's paper. It was reviewed by Carolyn and it's only 50% done. You can submit the grade for the review right here. So if I click that and click submit, it will save it. I can edit it if I want. I can also go here back to my main screen for reviews. I can look at Carolyn's. Is this the one I was just looking at? All right, so I can see that Carolyn reviewed Adam's paper. If I click here, I can see that Carolyn reviewed her own paper, and I can see that Adam reviewed her paper. So if I want to see what Adam said, I can click on his review. I can see that he wrote the comments, he did the ranking. This is Adam reviewing his own paper. He didn't add any comments, but I can grade his comment right here and click submit. Let's see if it lets me toggle up here. There it goes. All right, so I'm going to go back. I don't know why it's taking long. Okay, and if I come over here, it takes me to another review. This is Adam reviewing Carolyn's paper. I can see that Adam went in and did the highlighting. So the students can do highlighting and comments just like we can. I can hover over his comments and see if he wrote any, which it appears he wrote one. So at any point you can see the volume and the quality of what the student's review was. And again, you can score it here and then click submit. So there are many ways that you can look at the reviews. It just depends. You have to really have your mind straight about what it is that you're looking at. There it goes. So like here I can see it populated the grade because I scored the one that she provided. So I can see she submitted 1 of 3 reviews. She needed to do 3. They were assigned to do 3. He did 2 of 3. You can see like these numbers match. He received 3 reviews because I did 1. And again, you can click the review over here on the side. And this is for you to perform the review that you created. And whenever you are done, you just click submit. And it prompts you to want to answer all of the questions.